You're not lazy, and you're definitely not broken. But right now, your life probably feels like this loop you can't escape. You wake up, grab your phone, scroll for a bit longer than you planned. Now you're already behind. You feel overwhelmed. You tell yourself, I'll start in a bit, and suddenly it's night, and nothing really got done. And the worst part? You already know what you should be doing. You just don't do it. That's not a motivation problem, because motivation comes and goes. This is a discipline problem. And discipline isn't something you feel, it's something you build. One small habit at a time. Here are 13 habits that slowly rewire your brain, and if you stay till the end, the last one explains why everything keeps falling apart. Habit 1. Keep promises to yourself. Let's say you tell yourself, I'll wake up at 7 tomorrow. Then your alarm rings and you hit snooze. Seems small, right? But your brain notices. Every time you break a promise to yourself, your brain starts believing, this guy doesn't follow through. Now compare that to someone who says, I'll do 10 push-ups today, and actually does it. Even if it's small, it builds trust. Discipline starts when your brain trusts your own words. Habit 2. Fix your environment. If your phone is next to you, you will use it. It's not about willpower, it's about design. For example, if you're trying to study, but your phone is on your desk, you'll check it just once, and that turns into 20 minutes. Instead, put it in another room. Not silent, not face down, another room. Make distraction harder, and focus becomes easier. Habit 3. Start before you feel ready. You don't need motivation to start, you need action. Think about going to the gym. You never feel like going, but once you start, you finish the workout. Same with work. Tell yourself, just open the laptop. Just write one sentence. Just do one rep. Action creates momentum. Waiting kills it. Habit 4. Own your first 30 minutes. The first thing you do in the morning controls your entire day. If you wake up and immediately open Instagram or YouTube, you've already given your brain away. Now your mind is reacting, not leading. Instead, wake up, sit for a minute. Think about your day. Maybe stretch, maybe journal. Even 10 to 15 minutes of control changes everything. Habit 5. Do one hard thing every day. Not something extreme, just something uncomfortable. Maybe it's going to the gym when you don't feel like it, studying when your friends are chilling, saying no to junk food. Every time you do something hard, your brain gets stronger, and slowly, things that felt hard start feeling normal. Habit 6. Replace goals with rules. Goals sound nice. I want to get fit. I want to be productive. But goals depend on mood. Rules don't. Instead of saying, I'll try to go to the gym, say, I go to the gym Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That's it. No thinking, no debating. It becomes part of who you are. Habit 7. Stop deciding small things. Decision fatigue is real. If you spend energy deciding, what should I eat? What should I wear? What should I do first? You drain your brain before doing anything important. Successful people simplify. Same breakfast, same routine. Plan tomorrow the night before. Save your mental energy for big moves. Habit 8. Track one thing. If you can't see progress, you'll quit. Let's say you're trying to be consistent. Just track one thing. Days you worked out, hours you studied, videos you created. Even a simple calendar with X marks works. When you see a streak, you won't want to break it. Habit 9. The 3-second rule. You ever think, I should start this now? And then suddenly, your brain says, let's do it later. That's the moment you lose. So here's the rule. When you think of doing something, move within 3 seconds. Stand up, open the app, start the task. Because after 3 seconds, your brain will convince you not to. Habit 10. Control what you consume. If you spend hours watching negative content, drama, outrage, distractions, your brain becomes chaotic. And then you wonder why you can't focus. Instead, follow content that pushes you forward. Unfollow things that waste your time. Your input becomes your mindset. Habit 11. Make quitting painful. Right now, quitting is easy. You skip gym, nothing happens, you waste time, no consequences. So your brain keeps choosing the easy option. Change that. Tell a friend your goal or set a rule. If you skip, you pay money or do a penalty. Now quitting has a cost, and your brain starts taking it seriously. Habit 12. Move in silence. Talking about your goals feels good. You say, I'm going to start a YouTube channel. People hype you up. You feel accomplished without doing anything. That's dangerous. The real winners, they don't talk, they work. Then they show results. Let your actions make the noise. Habit 13, the most important one. Identity. Most people say, I'm trying to be disciplined. That's weak. Instead say, I am disciplined. Even if it feels fake, because your brain works like this, it tries to match your actions with your identity. If you believe you're disciplined, you'll act like it. Maybe slowly at first, but then suddenly everything changes. Real growth doesn't feel exciting. It looks like a normal Tuesday where you did the work even when you didn't feel like it. Then Wednesday, then Thursday. That's how your life changes. Not in one big moment, but in small decisions repeated daily. So don't try all 13 habits. Pick just 2, the ones that hit you the hardest, and follow them for 30 days. Not perfectly, just consistently. That's how discipline is built. Comment below which habit you're starting with. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe. No fluff, just what actually works.